In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xfinity Gateway blinking orange light so your internet connection gets back to normal. A blinking orange light on your Xfinity Gateway usually means it's updating its firmware. This update process can take several minutes, sometimes up to 30 minutes. During this time, don't unplug or restart your gateway, as this can cause problems. If the orange light keeps blinking for longer than 30 minutes, or if your internet isn't working after the update, start troubleshooting. First, restart your gateway by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check all your cables next. Make sure the coaxial cable from the wall to the gateway is tight and undamaged. Loose or damaged cables can interrupt the connection and cause the blinking orange light. If you have a splitter between the wall and your gateway, remove it temporarily. Splitters can weaken the signal, causing connection problems. Also, check for any local outages in your area using the Xfinity app or website. Sometimes, network issues on their end can cause your gateway to behave this way. If after trying these steps your gateway still blinks orange and your internet doesn't work, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button on the back of the gateway for about 30 seconds until it restarts. Remember, this will erase your settings, so you'll need to set up your network again through the Xfinity app. Following these steps should fix the blinking orange light and restore your internet. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.